What do you normally look for when you are buying a second home in Lonavala? The purpose is either to connect with Mother Nature or to connect with the family members. Well, what if I give you one such product wherein you are not only getting connected with nature but with also your family members? Let me show you the property. Come. Experience nature in its most mesmerizing form. In a place where your home offers the finest views of stunning vistas around you. The views that have been thoughtfully crafted to elevate your experience even further. We are showing you a 4-bedroom hall kitchen villa. This is a sample villa done by the developer. As I enter, on my left you have a nice lovely kitchen over here, and on the opposite to the kitchen you have the guest bedroom over there. You also have the provision for lift over here in case if at all you want to have to. Here you have a nice lovely 8-seater dining area. You see the spacious, luxurious, huge living area. The floor to ceiling height is exceptionally very nice, and next to the living area you have a lovely plunge pool over here. As you can see, you can enjoy with your family, friends over here. You have a lot of open space, as you can see. We have 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom hall kitchen villas. In 4 and 5-bedroom hall kitchen, we have a couple of options as well. The pricing starts from 5 crores to 20 crores onwards. For a site visit, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors. Thank you.